are we going to do today?
We are going to make fruit chaat.
Very good. Which fruits do you have?
We have kiwi, strawberry,
Very good.
apple,
Very good.
orange,
Very good.
banana,
Very good.
mango,
Very good.
grapes.
Very nice. We have this milk also. Okay. Now let us pour mango first. Take this. Put that in this bowl. Very good. Very good. Nice. Now let's take. What's this?
Banana.
Let's pour it in this. Pour it. Very nice. Now let's pour orange. Pour it. Excellent. Now some apple. Okay. Now which one?
Strawberry.
Is it your favorite? Okay. Now what is this?
Kiwi.
Very good. What is the color of kiwi?
Green.
Very nice. Now?
Grapes.
Very good. Now let's pour some milk. Very nice. Okay, take the spoon. Nice. What's this?
Sugar.
Very good. Okay, now we have to mix this. Mix it, mix it, mix it well. Nice. Now taste one with the help of fork and tell me how's it. How's it?
It's good.
Very nice.